ALP Nishikawa is a 200 million USD group founded in 1985. We are headquarters in Gurgaon, India, and have a global presence with 11 companies and over 2,000 employees specialized in EPDM, rubber, and other polymer-based products. Our flagship products are for automotive industries, but we also expanded rapidly in other sectors, including buildings and constructions and consumer household products. In our R&D center in Gurgaon, we have created a state-of-art design center using CAD and other CAD software, such as ARES Commander. Altogether, our innovation is fueled by 90 product technology, 350 engineers, and over 65 senior manager professionals. Automotive is an extremely competitive market. We need to adhere to very strict deadlines. Therefore, it is especially important for us to use the right tool at every stage. ARES Commander is the right one for our design stage. Most of our users were previously familiar with AutoCAD. The transactions to ARES was smooth. Most of them were able to start their work with ARES from the day one, as it offers a similar look and feels and familiar keywords commands. It was also very important for us that ARES Commander is available with network license. It provides us with the flexibility to share a set number of licenses among multiple users to optimize our cost. In ARES, the network license setup is simple, and the Graebert customer portal provides us with full control of our license integration. Interestingly, ARES Commander not only help us to optimize our cost, we increase our productivity by 10 to 20% with time-saving features such as mouse gestures, power trim, or the smart dimensions tools. They contribute to make ARES more user-friendly. The PDF import features is also quite popular among our users. We use it to edit our old PDF files. With these commands, we are able to convert PDF into TWG and make quick changes as required. To conclude, I would recommend any company currently using other CAD software to take a look at ARES Commanders. It helps us, and I am sure to will help them as well as. Thank you.